O Levels Maths Review Exercise 13 T1 7th edition. We shall try to cover question number 1 part A and B. Question number 1 part A is about finding the area of this shaded region in which there is a cutout of this rectangular shape in this shape. So there is no such shape in maths like this. So what are we are going to do? We are going to break down this shape into known shapes. If I can start from here and draw a straight line from the here to here, I will break this into a rectangle. If I'll do the same from this point to this point, I feel these are the straight lines. This is another triangle. This from this, if I'll prolong this line from here to here, this is the third triangle and this is the fourth triangle. I will give them names for convenience. A1, A2, A3 and A4, as we have to find the area of the region. So I have given them names A1, A2, A3 as we have to find the areas of them. Right now, first of all, I will find the area of all these triangles, this rectangular white part inclusive, and in the end I will add these areas and subtract the area of this white rectangle from it and get my required answer. So for A1 is a rectangle and the formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Why I am calling it a rectangle? Because they have made these symbols which are suggestive that these are 90-degree angles, so they are straight lines. I can also draw here these symbols which are suggestive that this is also a straight line. So it is a rectangle. So what length into width, length into breadth. Now I know the area length of this rectangle is 35 and width is 9. So I'm going to use this information. Length is 35 and width is 9, which I'm left with the answer, which is 315 centimeters square. Now A2, the width of this, breadth of this is this, which is 8 centimeter, and the height is this line. How am I going now? No dimension has given for this line, which is starting from here to here. So what am I going to do? It is very simple. This line is a part of this line which is starting from here and ending here. So the straight line is, the dimension for this entire line is 35. If I subtract this 20 from here, I will get the dimension of this line which will start from here to here, because this line starting from here to here is 35. Now as these are rectangles, so if I'll subtract this 20 from this 35, I'll get the dimension of this line which will be 15. So the area 2 would be length is length into breadth. A2 is, which is 15 into 8, which is equal to 120 centimeters square. Now I will find the area of A3, area of the third rectangle inclusive this white. Now here I am overlooking this white rectangle, and I'm taking out the area of the full rectangle, which the width is 7. The width is 7 and the length is from here to here. Now they have given us all the information. Look at here. From here to here it is 14 centimeter. From here to here it is 14 centimeter, and from here to here it is 13 centimeter. So if I add 14 and 13, I'll get the dimension of the line which starts from here and ends here. So I'll repeat it. We don't know the dimension of this line, so I have to look at the figure very closely, and what I see that the line starting from here to here is 14 and from here to here is 13. So I'll add them together and I'll get the answer 27. So this line is 27 So A3 is equal to length is 27 into width is 7, which is equivalent to 189 centimeter square. A4. Now they have given us the width, which is 11 centimeter, and the length, which is 13 centimeter. So A4 is equal to 11 into 13 is equal to 143 centimeter square. Now I shall add all these areas together, 315 plus 120 plus 189 plus 143, and get the answer, which is 767 centimeter square. I have added all these areas because all these rectangles make the area of this entire shape in this white rectangle inclusive. Now I have to take out the area of this white rectangle from this 767. So area, I will write it down as A5. Area A5 is equal to length into breadth. Length is 12 and breadth is 9. So 12 into 9 is equal to 108 centimeter square. Area of shape would be subtracting 108 from 767 minus 108. We are left with the answer 659 centimeter square. Now we shall move on to part B of question number 1. Now this is a circle in which I can break this hut kind of a shape into two known parts, which is one is a triangle and the other is a rectangle. I am calling it rectangle because it has 90-degree angle on all four sides. This symbol is suggestive of 90-degree angle, and the width is 11 centimeter, and from here to here it is 16 centimeter. That's why it's a rectangle. The dimensions of a rectangle is 16 from here to here. These arrows suggest that 16 is from here to here and 11 from here to here. Now in the triangle, if we have to find the area of a triangle, we would be needing the dimension of the base and the height. Height is a height which is starting from the apex of the triangle and joining the base at a right angle. So this is the straight line, this is the height of the triangle, but base is not 16. Please don't confuse this base with 16, because this 16 starts from here and ends here. However, the triangle is longer than this. The triangle is making the diameter of this circle. So the base of the triangle is making the diameter of the circle. So we know that any point which starts in a circle, which starts from center and touches the outskirts of a circle, is radius. It is radius here, it is radius here, it is radius here. So radius, this radius from here to here is 13.6, and from here to here is also 13.6. So I'll multiply the radius with 2 and get the base of the triangle, which is the diameter of this circle. Then I'll have to subtract the area of the triangle and the area of the rectangle from the area of the circle. So we are going to proceed. First of all, I'll find the area of the circle, and the area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is 3.14, and radius they have given us, which is also the height of this triangle, which is 13.6. I'm going to multiply 13.6 into 13.6 and get the required result, which is equivalent to 580.77. I'll round it off to 3 significant figure, and I'll get as this number is, the next number is greater than 5, so 1 would be added to this and it will become 581 centimeter square. Now area of the triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. The height is 13.6, but base is not 16. Base is here it is radius, here it is radius. The base of the triangle is the diameter of the circle. So I am going to multiply 13.6 with 2, and I'll get it would give me 27.2. So the base would be 27.2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 27.2, and height is 13.6. When I will do my maths, then I will left with the answer 184.96. If I round it off to 3 significant figures, this next number is digit is greater than 5, so I will add 1 to it and I'll make it 185. So now I have to find the area of this rectangle. The dimensions for this rectangle is 11 and 16. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 16 and breadth is 11. So I am left with the answer 176 centimeters square. So the area of the shape would be, I will write down the area of the circle and subtract the area of this triangle and this rectangle from the area of the circle and get my required area of the shape. So what am I going to do? Area of the shape would be area of the circle, which is 581, minus area of the triangle, which is 185, minus area of the rectangle, which is 176. And when I'll do my maths, then I'll be left with the answer, which is 220 centimeters square.